Alright guys, so yesterday I reviewed that razor blade that just wouldn't cut, and as you can see here, one day later, I must shave again. But anyway, today we're here with this product right here. Oh my goodness. And this one is 5 wits. Gosh, I can't read. 5 wits dental kit. Let's see if this is better. I have a strong feeling that this is way better than that kit. Let's see what comes inside. So we'll do a quick unboxing here. You get your typical toothbrush, and let's see here. I've never been a fan of these packages. Oh, cool! So you get Colgate here, toothpaste. You get a toothpick. Wow, this looks pretty heavy-duty stuff. Nice. Look at that floss on that side, and your standard toothbrush. All right, not bad, not bad. I think this is gonna go a whole lot better than the other one. So yeah, this looks good. At least you can really get those things out of your teeth, going between those bits there. My teeth are clean, so there's nothing to clean right now, but yeah, I like that it comes with Colgate. Colgate is pretty good. What is it? Cavity protection, and then it says drug facts, active ingredients, and all that stuff. It's probably pretty standard. Hopefully it won't kill you. And let's see, what about the brush? Yeah, the brush is pretty somewhere between soft and firm. It'll do. So, although I do not like the kit for the shaving, this is good. This is good stuff. So, I guess I can recommend this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.